You know what? Who the hell are you?
Welcome back to K-CordGirls.
So your father's a very nice.
Calm his damn teddy. Am I just stupid? No?
We're crying out laughing. There's a lot going on, my bro.
A day.
And my God, he's sick. My Brie has never wanted to be a guitar so bad. I'm done. No way.
Hi, hello, hey. Welcome back to K-CordGirls. Welcome if you're new. I am Brie.
I'm right.
And today we are starting a round of unboxings, which we have planned throughout the week because we are seriously behind in unboxing a lot of albums that we've ordered. So today I'm going to be unboxing YEONJUN's MixTape Gum. And then with that, we are going to be watching Gum Studio Choom original. So I is both excited and scared. So this is the mixtape. I freaking love it. I love the little character. Now I have to figure out how the heck to open this without damaging things. Awesome. I love how there's like a little sticker that's like open. It says open right here. Okay, open where? Oh, I see. Okay, never mind. Thank you, little sticker. Basically, it's like you can pull it like directly out right here at the top. Maybe. I feel like they tried to make it simple for simple-minded people like me, and it's still just not gonna work. Still not gonna work. Nope. Awesome. We're just gonna do it like that. Cool. Did not.
We're gonna make this idiot proof. You're like, y'all didn't do enough. You had to make it free proof, okay?
Exactly. Oh my god, I freaking love this. Okay.
Oh, he's a keychain. Oh, I love the blowing the bubble. That's
right?
cute.
So freaking cute. Oh my god, I love it. Okay. I was so happy I was able to get this. Because I think when I first tried to get it, it was like all sold out. And I looked everywhere and then I finally found it, I think, at like Music Plaza, if I remember correctly.
Okay.
So... Okay. Oh, awesome.
Wow.
Yeah. Fantastic.
I love the cherry red on him.
I
It
do
looks really good.
too. Oh my god, I love it. And we have gum sticker.
Nice.
And the CD. And then a little mini. Okay. We're gonna be aggressive out the gate, so.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay.
Sure.
Mm-mm. All right, let's zoom in right there. Just that's fantastic. I really do love the styling for this album.
Me too. The casual, just casual straight look looks really good on him. Okay. Well,
Awesome. Awesome, awesome.
I like how with this one, he's like, the album's named Gum. That means the whole focus needs to be on my mouth.
Basically. Exactly what it's like. Oh my god. This might actually be our easiest unboxing this week, since it's just a little mixtape. How do I put this back in? I want to put it back in for right now. Okay. No. If I get this part back in there. Well, it goes in easier than it comes out, so. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and check out the Studio Choom performance. Oh, but before we do, if you guys like this video, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe for more, and what else, Mer?
Hit that bell.
Also, reach out to us on our socials, come chat, and talk with us in Discord, and you can check out our exclusive reactions on Patreon. We're also live streaming on Twitch Fridays through Sundays. We were watching Idol Producer, Meteor Garden, and Fiery Priest 2. Yep. My brain is already fried for the week. That's fantastic. Okay. Oh, wow.
Let's go.
Okay, I'm getting rid of the subs. Wow. Wow. Sir, you are doing a lot.
Hit that gun, gum.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Good god!
I was like, oh god, here it goes, here it comes. Maybe it'll be so bad. Maybe Studio Choom will be like, we will not take the most aggressive angle. Nope. Studio Choom, I don't know what I was thinking. Studio Choom always goes for the most deadly angles. So I don't know what I was thinking, but they... Yep.
Yeah. Yup. I know. I'm with you. I was like, this is already a lot, and we haven't even gotten to like the part, and then we do. And thank you so much for that. Good God. I just this whole getup as well is just a lot. And oh my God.
I know I shouldn't say anything. But I'm going to do it anyways. I love how he gets criticism for that choreo move. And he was like, oh, you mean this move? And like gave zero fucks and just went with it anyways. Which, by the way, the choreo was done by a woman. So like everybody can calm their ass down.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Right? I'm just saying, but like I love how he's like, oh, you don't like this choreo? This one right here? This one?
Sir, I don't know who you yelling at. I have no issues with it. We good.
I appreciated it out the gate. So
exactly.
There's that.
Yep. He's already a lot to begin with. And everything about this release took what he was already a lot of and times it by like 1,000,000. So great, just great.
I feel like I need to cover my poor innocent polar bear's eyes. You all can't see this.
I think I wore the perfect shirt for today. I wore the perfect shirt for today. I tried.
She tried.
For all of 5 seconds.
He showed up. Like, this is on him, not her.
Exactly. Oh my God.
Hit that gun, gum.
Wow. Jeez. Okay. I just can't with him. I cannot. Wow. Jeez.
Go hit that ganja gum.
Wow. Wow. I just need, what happened? We scrolled for some reason. I need a second.
We just need what happened.
I just need what happened. Listening. Oh my god. That's the title for this video. Just what happened.
What happened?
It's so much. It's so much. It's a lot to process. Jeez.
Go hit that ganja gum.
Yup. Good God.
I can't even say the comment that is in my head. I can't even say it. There was like one brief like thing that came to my brain. I was like about to say it, and I'm like, you can't say that. You can't say that on YouTube. What are you doing? Shut your mouth. It's right there. Like, it's just one word vomit out, and it's like, girl, you better not.
I feel the struggle. Because the first thing that came to mind, and I was like, you probably shouldn't. But the first thing that came to mind was, sir, that is not a resting spot for your hand. Like, it's not a handle. We don't just stay there the whole time. Like, what is going on here?
I mean, that's a little better than what I was gonna say. So,
oh boy, you're gonna have to tell me that one later.
Yeah, I could tell it now, and then you could decide whether to cut it or not, I suppose.
Sure.
Okay. I was thinking, good God, is it so heavy that you have to sit there and hold it? Just like, it needs support. What is going on?
That is fantastic. Oh my god. Oh, that's so staying in. Oh my god. That's I mean, okay then. I have no comment.
That was the thought. That I was just... We all need a little support sometimes.
Facts. Oh god. Okay. I swear I've been cold all morning, and now I'm regretting long sleeves.
Right.
Wow. See, I can't with the killer looks, but then he gets these like big ass smiles too that I'm like, great, that's killer too. Cause we just needed a real quick speed round at the end there. That's what that was. Just... Fantastic. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Yup. Woo. I feel like my heart is racing. my god. I just cannot. Do you have thoughts there, Mar? You seem like something's going on.
No, I don't have any thoughts whatsoever. I just saw a suggested video and I was like, what are you doing?
Which one?
The second one in from the top. Just looks like a very, what are you doing? Face.
No, that's a, hey, guess what? I'm on the schedule for next week face.
Oh.
That's what that is. That's what that is.
I'm just a supportive friend in this situation. That's I'm here for moral support.
Sure. He's my bias, but I know you have an issue with him too from time to time, so.
Oh. I don't have a single thought. I already done said way damn too much. Way too damn much?
Way damn too much, yup. That's the new title for the video. Way damn too much. Oh my god. He is.
You can't expect me to thrive and survive, okay?
No.
I'm doing my best.
He is way damn too much, though. He really is. I just, I love the song. Legitimately love the song. Love the choreo. Love the choreo. And he just has this stage presence. He's just a lot. He's a lot. And that was done so well. That was fantastic. Yep. Oh god, I guess we're just gonna go ahead and wrap this one up here, because me even trying to form anything, words, sentences, thoughts, it's not happening.
Obviously I can't. So
it was great though. He did great though. That's all I got. He did great. He is way damn too much. So
way damn too much. He's not even way too damn much. He's just way damn too much.
Yeah.
That's how bad it is.
Oh god. So yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed this one as much as we did, and we will catch you guys in the next one.
Stop.
Oh wow!
You don't have to make every song a hoe song,
yes,
sir.
Yes, he does. Oh my god!
That's a 5 out of 5 chili peppers. Good job. I need you to not be so toxic. It makes me look so bad.
Oh my god!
The little butt scoots are so cute. Wait a minute. That's a ladle. These guys are gonna have nightmares after this.
Right?
With a homie just running with safety. Oh my god.
I thought you was leaving. Are you saying you gonna be right back? Yes! Yes!
Oh god! Oh my god! Get it, girl. Why
I don't
not?
blame you. Oh my god!
What is going on?
I don't know.
Chungstick is like, you guys don't talk about me enough. And it's
I'm
like, we will
sorry.
start.
No!
Oh my god!
Wow!
He's just right up in the camera. I need you to get up my face.
Oh my god! This looks hilarious!
He's like, where's our manager?
But he didn't have to go that. He didn't have to go that high with his shirt.
This is the performance I wanted you to see like a year ago.
To get the juice, giving you
Quick, what? Right there.
Stop! Stop!
See?
What?
fantasy.
See?
See? She's like, you heard me.
I love her. Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Look at the cat's face!
God!